Saturday we are going to, I don't know what it's called, but it's a airplane show, something like, yeah, aeroplane show. It's happening at, I think, the Waterkloof Air Force Base. Yeah, basically just gonna be watching the airplane or whatever. I think we doing it more for Zuzu. It's gonna be Zuzu, my husband, and I. It's more a Zuzu thing because he really likes airplanes. He took a flight when he's smaller, but I don't think he remembers. So now he's fascinated by airplanes, so we're gonna take him there. As I was saying, it's sort of, there's gonna be sort of like a market thing, or they can sell food. You can have like picnic vibes because they say, hey guys, I'm just like, I'm here. Guys, and I just saw a video where saying I don't want tips, but here I am. But I think because I'm not used to, I've never done this shape before. You know, the normal shape, they will cut your nails and they will still file it a lot. So wherever they cut is not the true indication of how long they might be. You need to make them slightly longer so you can file a lot. These ones I saw, they cut them and they didn't file a lot. So when they made them this long, I was like, they're still gonna file them, they'll be a bit shorter, but they didn't. They just filed khanyan. It didn't really make a difference to the length. So I think next time I'll go a bit shorter, but I really like this shape. I really like it. And the service there, guys, I don't know if it's gonna be in this vlog or the previous one, but and I only paid 1 night for that service, but they just opened a branch in mainland, hence the price. I need to check what their normal prices are, but the service, but for me, going that side is quite expensive. I think that's the issue. For me to Uber that side is expensive, so yeah, that's the reason why it don't drive fees, because it's expensive. Yeah, so when I do that, I think I'll take you guys along, and then we'll see how it goes. But I'm really bothered by this thing. I've been seeing it, but I've been thinking maybe I need to have my camera, but I see it's not going away even when I have my camera. So I really suspect it's either this pouch or this camera. Guys, I'll try to figure it out soon, because otherwise it means I can't vlog properly. I'm not used to the camera. I don't even know how to hold it. The other time I tried to use it and my face was just showing up to here. Okay, you guys, let me go. Apparently there's more like a picnic setup where we're going, so I thought of taking this picnic basket of mine, but I think this one is more for like a romantic setup. As you can see, I think you can put your glasses here while you're sitting down, and then you have a cutlery, you have plates and side plates in here, and then you have like wine glasses. I'll show you guys properly another time. It's just that we're in a hurry now, but let's see. For example, these are wine glasses. Let me just take an empty one. I think I'll take this one rather. Needs to be clean though. Never used it before. Guys, get up in this dress. This used to be my sister's dress. She actually wore it at my traditional wedding, and she gave it to me because it's small on her now. Guys, I'm sitting at the back because Zuzu just wants to jump in front with us. So let me show you the dress on top. But you know, the camera situation was this is how it looks in front. It does a bit of like a cleavage here, and then okay, it's tight here, and then here the idea is like it's flowy. That's how it looks. Hey, 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 I got a condo in that hat. Baby boy, was happening? You and your ass invited, so go and get to clapping. So pop it for player, pop it for me. Turn around and this is the MAC lipstick that you guys are always asking about. It's the color Zuzu Fashion Legacy. You guys won't be able to see, but that's the shade. So if you go to MAC, it's MAC liquid. Here it is. It's the shade fashion legacy.
Mommy. Mommy, daddy, bye.
All I hear is raindrops falling from a rooftop. Oh, baby, tell me why'd you act.
Oh, that's a heart. Can't see though in the camera.
Give it a check. Let's go.
Yeah.
See those planes? Look at those planes there. The big ones, the Air Force ones. They're on the ground.
I've taken a hit. Such a mess. I don't know who was it. Whose funeral was it when they had? Remember there was a female pilot. Was it a funeral though? Maybe when Becky were talking. I remember. I just can't remember. Yes, because.
Two young ladies from Golden Fair. Up to be on the show and have done a lot of promotion on the show. That's of course Xoxo, who is a presenter of the lunchtime show, and then the head of programming, the head of presenters, Suzanne Koyaska. And then we have young CJ, who is the presenter of the youth program on Golden Fair.
It helps me a lot. Okay, these shades are assisting with looking up. helicopter, not a plane. Oh, okay. It's a helicopter, okay. Oh, here they come. Here they come. Here they come. They're coming. Coming to see Zuzu. You see that? Hello. Wait, they're coming. Here they are. Hello. Hello, helicopter. Okay. Oh, that is a plane. Oh, it's a helicopter. It's not a plane. It's a helicopter. Oh, there it is. What does a helicopter do? Show mommy.
Okay, mommy.
How does a helicopter go? Show mommy. You. Yes. Oh, that one is a plane.
Yes.
Okay.
That's a plane. It's a helicopter.
Huh?
That's a plane.
Helicopter. Oh, it's not a plane. It's a helicopter. There they are, big boy. Look at them. Look at them. You. Yes, my boy.
Daddy going essay.
Oh, okay, Daddy's going to fetch it. Oh, it's doing that 8 thing. Oh. Yeah. Look, there's a plane. There it is. There it is. Did you see it? Ah, there's another one. Hey, pick up your cat, Pipi. Yeah, wow. Look, Zuzu. Look, Zuzu. There it is again.
Moments later.
It's just emotions taking me over, caught up in sorrow, lost in the song. But if you don't come back, come home to me, darling. Don't you know there's nobody left in this world to hold me tight? Don't you know there's nobody left to take it, just don't. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do.
and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 I wanna deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway, you know my voice, flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream.
So nice. Remember our drive, like our long distance oh, so beautiful. Remember our long drive to the Eastern Cape? I'm sure they can't chase us out to
It's our new hometown.
This is Keneiloe. But now you still like it so much. I remember he was on her show the one time on Metro. And he's so young, like he was so innocent. And I hope Hi guys, I just tried this whole back camera thing. It's not working, so you guys will have to bear with me with this front camera issue for now until I have it sorted out. I'm really hoping it's the screen protector and not the camera itself. I want to come close off the vlog, you guys. Yesterday my heart is so full. I'm so tired right now. I'm actually busy preparing Sunday lunch. I just have the rice on. I'm just gonna make meat and like some lamb chops and veggies. Quick review about yesterday's restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Priva. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's Priva. It's in Waterkloof Heights, and the service is top notch, you guys. The food is amazing, the service is amazing, the music, the aesthetics at the restaurant. So as you might have seen, we went to the air show in the morning, early afternoon, and Susan came back. I didn't have time to to shower and stuff anyway, and the sun for so long. I just literally just wiped myself, put on lotion again, changed shoes. I was wearing flats. I put on block heels. I wear you would have seen those yellow block heels. I was wearing them for the first time. I got them from Mr. Price last year, I think in December, just before I went home to Bloem. January, end of December, January, somewhere there, beginning of Jan. Yeah, and so my husband discovered that restaurant midweek when he was going, I don't know where, but he was in that area and he saw it, and it's like, and then he made the booking, I think on like the Friday, because apparently it gets quite full. It's quite a popular place. My husband says he's heard about it before, but he didn't know where it was, so he made a booking for us on Friday for Saturday. So yesterday we went to the air show, came back, changed like I said, and we left. When we get there, okay, it's a lot of stairs and front, but I'm seeing people are like really dressed, like nicely dressed, but I'm like, because as you might have seen, I was wearing my traditional attire, and then I'm like, okay, people look really good. I don't even have time to put on makeup, and it's a good thing I didn't put on makeup for the air show, because we were sitting in the sun. Okay, I would have melted, or my makeup would have melted if I'm just sitting hours and hours in the sun. Hey, so we get there, we get this really nice waiter. I don't know if it's the managers come as how we're doing, the people that work in the alcohol section. My husband even left and went and came back with a bottle of wine. And even at some point I was like, is my husband gonna propose again? Like, are we celebrating something? Because they came and took him. I'm not sure if he had communicated that he would want to have some wine, but yeah, he came back with a bottle of wine. They put it in that nice white decanter, as you might have seen. And so behind my husband, where my husband was sitting, there was a speaker, right? And like, it was just acoustic, yeah, like someone was singing. So at some point I'm like, is this live music, or are they just playing music? And my husband was like, no, there's a speaker here, so they just play music. I'm like, oh, okay, sure. Because in the back of my mind, I'm like, because I checked the website after my husband told me about it midweek, I was like, I think I would have seen something about live music, but I left it, right? So we had the amazing food, guys. I love meat, ne? Marie, that combo of the peas, the beetroot, and the butternut, and the feta cheese. I'm gonna try it at home. Okay, it won't taste the same because give your bowl. Bring your bowl so mommy can pour for Zuzu. In here. Give your bowl here. So Zuzu's just disturbing me. I think, I'm not sure what sauce they used, but the combo was amazing. Oh, the flavors of the food. Okay. He just wants me to pour him chips. Woo! Aski Suzu, pick up those ones and throw them. Eh? Pick up those ones. Guys, my rice. Let me check my rice quickly. Okay. So I don't want to start her because also you're a bit full because we had burgers at the air show. I don't want to have like starter, main, and dessert. I just decided I'll have a main and dessert. I think they had like a mash as well underneath the lamb chops, and then those delicious lamb chops. My husband had steak and whichever veggies they gave him. And then we had, I ordered dessert. And then I had this mocktail. It was really nice. It wasn't on the menu, but they told me, like, I can't remember, there's a mixture of pineapple juice or pineapple and I forgot what else, but it was really, really nice. After that, okay, so my husband went to the bathroom, right? When he came back, he's like, all right, these people are singing inside because the music was so good. Like, the lady's voice was so smooth, it's so effortless. Like, ooh, she hasn't even tried too hard. You know, like, there's people that can sing. Before we actually saw her, we were like, you know, there's people that can sing, but they are not signed to any record label. They don't have any songs out. They just sing other people's songs. They perform other people's songs live. That's what that lady was doing. And before we left, I'm like, I want to see these people that are singing, because there was a guy as well that was singing a few songs. We went inside, we were done, we were about to leave. We sat, guys, and she sang a couple of songs. We only left once she was done. We've discovered a jam. I think we'll go there for our wedding anniversary. Our wedding anniversary, not our marriage anniversary, because this year we will be turning, because we had our wedding in 2014, 8 years in December. So I think we'll go there. It's definitely one of my favorite restaurants. I love a couple of other restaurants, but I think so far the live music, the aesthetics, the service, the food, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. If I can't go give him a 10, I'm maybe 9.5. but I had a really good time, you guys. I just thought I'll give you guys a bit of a review. Let me continue cooking. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have you been to Priva? Is it a place that you would consider going to, guys? And also that story about the Ubers and Bolts. Have you experienced like any funny stuff? If you have, or you know someone that has, maybe let me know in the comment section down below. Please follow me on social media, especially on Instagram. I go by the name of Keneiloe Myoli, so it's at Keneiloe Myoli on Instagram. Twitter is at Keneiloe, but I think the important one would be Instagram for now. I'll have the link in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Make sure notification button is on so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And until the next one, you guys, bye.